एक्चुअली आज आमचो मेन मोटो हिंगा येवपाचो म्हणल्यार हो तुमी म्हजे फाटल्यान चोयताय तो हिंगा हो जावन आसा NDS नॉन डेव्हलपमेंट स्लोप ओके. सो जेन्ना हो तुमी हिंगा कितें कन्स्ट्रक्शन कोताय जाल्यार तुमकां पयलीं म्हणटाय ते TCPचें परमिशन आसपाक जाय. सेकंडली हिंगा हें आख्खें हिल कटींग जाल्लें आहा आनी हें हिल कटींग जावन इतलें जालां की तुमकां दिसतलें हेजे फाटल्यान आहा लुपीन कंपनी आख्खी वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट जी आहा तेका टच केल्या. हे इतल्या पावलो आहा की आयज पासून हेजेर कोण आपल्याचो फोकस घालना. सगळे म्हणटाय दोंगर आहा म्हणटाय की चल हें भितरल्या भितर कितें चल्लां कोणाक कांय खबर आसना. सेकंड थिंग म्हणल्यार आतां हिंगा इतली स्ट्रक्चर्स येयलो आहा G+3 स्ट्रक्चर्स आहा हिंगा आनी हे स्ट्रक्चर्स आख्ख्यो इल्लीगल आहा हिंगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द हावजीस ओवर हियर आर इल्लीगल. आनीक तितून बोरवेल मारले बोरवेलो. आतां कितें जाता हिंगा हे दोंगराचेर वयर जाता हिंगा लोक बोरवेल मारता हिंगाचें उदक सोमतें अंडरग्रावंडचो उदक तांकां पावता. सो आमकां ही जी सकयल आमची घरां आसताय तांकां उदक पावना. उदका लागून पातीशें जाता बाबा आमकां 1-2 वर उदक मेळटा पूण हिंगा हांकां 24 hours 24/7 म्हणटाय ते भाशेन. थर्ड थिंग म्हणल्यार आमचे पंचायतीक मातशें एक आमची मेसेज आहा कित्याक ही जी घरां आहाय तांकां पंचायतीन बायफोकेशन नंबर दिले मोर दॅन 100 बायफोकेशन नंबर इल्लीगल बायफोकेशन नंबर. आनीक ही हांवें ऑलरेडी एक कंप्लेन घायलोली पंचायतीन अजून पासून तेजेर एक्शन जालें ना. मागता पंचायती कडेन आमगेले कोर्तालीम पंचायत कित्याक हें कोणसुवा जें आहा तें आमकां पडटा. मागता हितून पंचायतीन मातशें जाता तितलें इमिडिएट एक्शन घेवपाक जाय कित्याक मागता दिसना कित्याक आमी येयलोले पावटी आमकां न्यू स्ट्रक्चर्स दिश्टी पडटाय न्यू प्लॉटिंग जाताय न्यू हांब येताय आमकां कांय खबर आसना. आमी सकयल गांवां रावताय हे दोंगरार रावन दोंगर काबार कोताय आख्खोच. लास्ट हांव मागता मातशें आमच्या MLA लागीं की हे जे तेजे MLA अंडर आमच्या पंचायत ZP आहा MLA अंडर ZPच्या अंडर पंचायत आहा आनी पंचायती अंडर पंच मेंबर्स आहाय. हें आपल्याच्या वाड्यान जें कितें चल्लां हें पंच मेंबरान चोवपाची जबाबदारी पंच मेंबराची. तुका लोक येवन सांगतलो बाबा तुगे वाड्यार हें चलता तें चलता हेजेर पंच मेंबरान डिपेंड रावपाक शिरी पडना. बाबा आपल्याच्या वाड्यान कितें चल्लां तें पंच मेंबरान आपूण चोवपाक जाय पंचायती मुखार घालपाक जाय की बाबा आमकां सांगनासतना आमगे पंचायती इन्फॉर्म करनासतना लोक थिंगा घर बांदता तांकां लायटी कनेक्शन मेळटाय बोरवेल माता इल्लीगल बायफोकेशन नंबर म्हण तूं पंचायतूच दिता तें आमच्यान आनी हें सांगो जायना कितें आहा तें तेंचे भितर. सो ही पंच मेंबराची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी MLAन मातशें हेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय की तेजे अंडर जितलें कितें हें आहाय जावं ते पंचायत जावं ते ZP तांकां मातशें इन्फॉर्म करचें आपल्या हातीन धरच्यो आनी ही मातशें कामां बरे भाशेन करून घेवची. इतलें आमचें मागणें की पंचायतीक आमी लास्ट एकदां रिक्वेस्ट कोत्ताय की बाबा हें हिंगा आतां स्टॉप कोनाय जाल्यार मुखार स्टॉप जावपाना. हें आयज जे भाशेन वाडत वयता मुखारूय वाडत वयतलें कित्याक आनी एक म्हणल्यार हेंची हिंगा गार्बेज आहा ती गार्बेज बाबा तांकां हिंगा कोण व्हरों येना जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना कित्याक गार्बेज ते हिंगा थिंगा उडयताय आख्खो गार्बेजी दोंगर जालो आहा हिंगा. आनी सिवेज वॉटर म्हाका खबर ना हेल्थान हांकां परमिशन कितकोन दिल्लें. सिवेज वॉटर आख्खें रस्त्याचेर देंवोन येता आनी आमी जेन्ना थिंग गेले त्या टायमार तो थिंग धांकणे लायता एकलो बंद करपा तें उदक भायर सरता तें म्हळ्यार आमी कितें कुड्डे सारके म्हळ्यार आमकां कांय दाखोवपा सोद नाय. पूण हें एक एग्जाम्पल आमच्या फकत कुट्टाळेच्या विलेजाचा न्हू पूण आमच्या आख्खे ऑल ओवर गोवा आमच्या लोकांनी बाबा हो एक टायम जाग जावपाचो. आनी आमी पंचायतीन गेलोले पाटी पंचायत आमकां म्हणटा बाबा व्हिडिओ मातशें काडना काय तुमी व्हिडिओ काडना काय म्हणटा. आमकां कितें जाता एक व्हिडिओ काडलो आमकां एक प्रूफ उत्ता बाबा आमी तुमकां उमकें उलयलें म्हण नाल्यार वबल जालें हालें म्हळ्यार ती परतून चेंज जाताय. आमी ना आरे आपल्या उगडा आसूं ना आपूण केन्ना सांगलो तुवें अशें करून उलयताय. सो आमी आमगे गोंयकारां लागीं मागताय आयज हें आमकां घडटा बट तुमकांय घडटा आसतलें मुखार सरें केन्ना कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा मिडिया आहा तुमची 4th पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटाय आमी माराय फोन पुलीस एक्शन घेयना चलता पूण एकदां मिडिया जेन्ना येता तेन्ना मिडिया कोणाच्यान ब्लॉक करूंक जायना. हें मातशें मती धरचें. थोडे म्हणटाय मिडिया लेट येतली हें करतली तें करतली तुमी टायमार मिडियाक इन्फॉर्म करपाक जाय. मिडिया एक्चुली आयज आमची मेसेज तुमकां पावपासून थ्रू मिडिया आमी तुमचे कडेन येयले आनी मिडिया आयज म्हळ्यार मिडिया इतली फास्ट चालू आहा बाय सोशल मिडिया तूं म्हणटा Facebook YouTube न्यूज चॅनल सगल्याक.
My name is John Philip Pereira. Basically, I am an NGO. I have taken up various issues in Goa, filed several public interest litigations. I am more concerned after I am looking after the illegalities around the Verna industrial estate. And all this that is happening, which Leslie Bob has said, is because of migrant influx into our villages that are damaging our infrastructure like electricity, water, and we are only generating garbage, and we are suffering health hazard like dengue, chikungunya. Now, we are in this village of Konsua, where Leslie has explained what are the illegalities that are happening. When we go to the Panchayat and explain to them, they say they don't have funds to do something, because I had one personal experience where there was garbage put on the highway in survey number 120 Barwan. When Pollution Control Board gave an order to remove the garbage, Panchayat said, Kortali Panchayat said, we don't have funds. Now, suppose if the Panchayat had to come and inspect these illegal constructions, and officially, according to, if they are irregular, regularize them, they would have had plenty of funds. So why is this not happening? This is my issue. Secondly, if they are illegal, they cannot be regularized. Illegal are illegal. Irregular can be regularized under the Panchayat law. So I request these authorities like the TCP, Water Resources Department, PWD, Electricity Department, Health Center Kortali, to come and look into this matter in the village of Konsua. It is a very, very serious matter where our infrastructure, we suffer because there is over-exploitation of groundwater here, as said by Leslie Bob also. I know there are several borewells here because I am monitoring this place also for borewells, because I was the petition of groundwater in the High Court. I had filed a petition in the High Court on groundwater. So please, I request the authorities to please come forward. Especially I request the Panchayat of Kortali, under whose jurisdiction this village Konsua comes, because it's a ward of the Kortali Panchayat. And I request also the courts to take so more to cognizance of this matter and please act, because we poor people cannot go to the courts. We cannot afford lawyers' fees. So I request the court authorities to please give some directions to the Panchayat and the other authorities to take action in this matter. Thank you very much.
Okay. As you said, Arjun जे allegation केला. First of all, म्हाका एक Arjik सांगपा जाय. जेन्ना एकूच complaint जे पंचायती येता, and then we go for inspection, we go officially. आम थिंगा time pass करपा येनाय, or आम थिंगा models म्हण येनाय to take shootings of us. And I have strictly told them to केसलेय complaint घाल, and the panchayat is going to be cooperating with them. आता तेंगेली 100 complaint आहाय. तेणी एकूच complaint दाखोवचे wherein we have not inspected the site, and जेन्ना आमी inspect कोताय, nobody is having a right to take video clipping without the permission. Jore to teka mogele shooting karpa, he has to take my permission. If I deny, nobody can force me. It is my law, nobody can force me. And I don't know Arjike kaso kaido to shooting karpa so that if he is coming legally for inspection, everything is written. Maka je Arji, especially जो कोणी आता Leslie म्हणटाय तो maybe his lack of information, तेका information ना आसले तेका खबर ना आसली inspection report मला बरयता तो, आणि inspection reportaचे तुगेले जे कितें from A to Z तुक जाय ते तुज्यान बरोवपा जाता, बरयलो तू साइन मानाका. That is the law. तेक दिसता जे तो सांगता उसरोता हे कोताय, no, he cannot say that. Everything comes on record and he has to sign only when your statements are there and he is fulfilled with it. So on this basis, I say that it is baseless allegations of taking the videos. I am not going to permit to take my videos as a sarpanch, as a panch, or as an individual. Ani tu kone gela video ke, I don't care. About the videos, I have done the clarification. My second clarification is about the construction being done in Konsua at the borderline of IDC. Now see, last time body jannam chahli, we did not know the borders of the IDC, and we have already made an application. I have the application with me. We have done an application to industries and IDCs asking them to demarcate the boundary. Unless and until we know which is our boundary, then only we can take an action. Understood? So far Amka thanks a reply. Now we are following up with that. Once we come to know which is our boundary, we are going to start with our legal procedure. Secondly, if there is any complaint, like for example this kid Swati, there was a complaint and here I have the copies of immediate action taking and show cause notices and demolition notice dikun ame kadlo hai tinga jinga horets like complaint should have documents and basically kone elo complaint gailo and tu gara ko posolo. No, you have to complain along with the attached documents. tum ek let's say take a complaint here, 8 page complaint kota wherein no documents are here. I'll show you from Leslie Gama, and he is the one who's giving the press and again a complaint without attaching no document. This is all, I don't know whether to time pass korpas hota or to lokha misguide korpas hota or what, I don't know, but we don't have time to eso muncha bore time pass korpa. Secondly, the next thing that I want to complain is, now see, as he has complained saying 5 member kai haparna. No, I want to bring it to the notice of the people. Jenna thinga overflow datali septic. We have already intimated the health, and next week because of the Diwali the health did not come. The health has given us the assurance that this week, that is the next week, that they are going to come. So I think by 24th of November the health inspection will be done, and there is a record in our panchayat jinga overflows ala, and if the person did not comply to it, then water and electric connections have been disconnected. Record I don't have, because it is last moment that you all have come. I don't have certain documents I have with me. Okay. Secondly, about the bifurcation of the numbers, what he is talking about, the illegal number delay. Mag ek sangpa jaye to the one who has given the press, and also to all the people of Kortalim as well as Goa. Jen namchi new body forms ali. The first resolution that we have taken is to stop the bifurcation of the numbers, and it should be given only to the close relatives, that is Bao Bhavamadi. Okay? Bao Bhavang, tenka se bifurcation number dipache. Now the government has given HN number or assessment number. So, but that is also this stuff, then he can go further on. Man, deputy director is the one who has given the assessment number order. It is not the panchayat. Janna amcha higher authority ji ha director of panchayat amka direct kota. Who is he to tell us? He is no one. See, and water and electric connection, what you are saying, it is humanitarian grounds. Suppose if he is saying that this property is illegal or this property is not his, I am saying you complain with the documents. And Janna panchayat action gaina, that is the time you make videos. That is the time you viral everything, saying panchayat is not coordinating with you. The H machine, the same way I am telling only one incident to all over Goa, this RG people, what they are doing. One day they came here with a complaint. They knew who is doing the illegal construction. I told him to write the name of the person. No, they did not write. Are tumka now gurin complaint korpa dom na. Zara tum kitya complaint kortai? An kit panchayati ka time waste korpa ta inga? Ha? Itli panchayat bekar raha. E o point आहे ग्राम सभा कोई काढा आणि आई सांगलो त्यांका नाव बुरोय आणि हांव ऍक्शन घेता घेना ते तुमचो